looking for some creative educational toys for your kids, then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. You can find n number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. You can check out our website link in the description below. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper snail. The materials required are A4 sheets, scissors, pencil, toothpick, sketch pens, Fevicol and compass. Let's take an A4 sheet and cut it using scissors as shown. In the sheet as shown. With compass, let's make small circles and then cut them using scissors. Try it yourself and share it in the Instagram and tag us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, stay safe at home and learn something new every day with Sparklebox. Bye bye.